Wilson disease, aka hepatolenticular degeneration, is an autosomal recessive mutation in ATP7B gene, responsible for copper transport and secretion. Mutation lead to copper accumulation, primarily the liver and brain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and best wishes for all of us. The Honorable, the Board of Jury of World Your STEM Invasion 2025. Wilson, a disease, is a genetic disease that causes damage to the liver and or brain. This damage occurs due to the accumulation of excess copper in the body. This disease is rare but deadly. It is not easy to detect someone who has Wilson disease because the symptoms and signs are similar to liver disease or other neurological disease. Even so, through early detection and treatment that from this disease can be prevented. However, the detection of this disease is still very minimal and expensive. This made us to find a solution to this problem. Finally, a talk of using the purple garden flower that grows a lot in the Prognosticity was alive because of the belief in the function and the minimum use of this purple garden flower. It makes us want to take advantage and look deeper to solve this problem. Together with my friend, we proceeded to consult with the supervisor. Based on the result of discussion and also suggestion from the supervisor, finally, we present a research as well as become our scientific paper with the title
Detector 1, Ruellia Wilson Testkit based on the artificial matrix test from the combination reaction of normal urine and CuSO4.
I am Kalita Bazarianti.
I am Benazir Vanessa Saidina.
And I'm Intan Nurul Hafirwan.
And I'm Satria Putra Pratama.
We are from
SMA Negeri 2 Probolinggo.
Based on the problem, we said the focus of the problem formulation are 1. How to make T-Corone Ruellia Wilson Testkit as a Wilson disease detector from purple golden flower petals, Ruellia tuberosa L. 2. How is the effectiveness of T-Corone Ruellia Wilson Testkit on the quality of Wilson disease detection result through a replacement matrix for the combination of normal urine and CuSO4? 3. How does T-Corone Ruellia Wilson Testkit work in detecting Wilson disease through a replacement matrix for a combination of normal urine and CuSO4?
The FCRR test for the compounds contained in T-Corone and the reaction result was carried on January 25, 2022 at the Laboratory of Minerals and Materials Central Laboratory in State University of Malang.
The following are the research variables that we asked. It can be seen that there are 4 treatment variables, namely treatment A is T-Corone using distilled water, treatment B is a Wilson disease urine matrix, treatment 3 is a treatment to test the activity of T-Corone on a Wilson disease matrix, and treatment 4 is a treatment for test the stability of T-Corone on a Wilson disease matrix. The variation in treatment combination can be seen in the following slide.
Following is a brief procedure of our research. 1. Purple conchana flower compound extraction procedure. 2. Wilson disease urine matrix manufacturing procedure. 3. Testkit application procedure T-Corone. And 4. Quality testing procedure of Testkit T-Corone.
T-Corone reaction with Wilson disease matrix test result. Mixing of T-Corone with Wilson disease matrix or put in mixture with copper 2 sulfate solution before heating shows a purplish brown color as shown in the following slide. However, when heated, the solution will gradually change color to a green-brown color and a dark green sunlight precipitate appears at the bottom. All treatment, A1 to AH, show almost the same results. Second, T-Corone stability test results. The following are the results of stability test for each treatment. It can be seen that the higher concentration of copper content, the more deposit or lumps formed and the darker the color. So, the stability test has an effect on the amount of clumps and lightness of the resulting color. Third, T-Corone reactivity test result. To improve the accuracy of T-Corone, a reactivity test was carried out under certain conditions. The conditions we use today focus on acidic and basic conditions. Dear jury, the T-Corone reactivity test shows a very interesting thing. Apparently, when T-Corone is mixed with an acid solution, it will change color to a purplish or magenta red. However, when reacted with an alkaline solution, it will turn orange. It is also unaffected or constant both before and after heating. This even shows that T-Corone liquid is very stable and accurate for detecting copper compounds.
For FTR spectra ER test result, it can be seen below is the comparison of the liquid spectra between T-carbon liquid and solid reaction product. It can be seen that the graph on the left contains C equals O. Groups of aromatic ester, aromatic C minus NO2 and aromatic CH are not present in the graph on the right. However, the graph on the right has NH amine group, in NH elevated primary amines and CIL units are not present in the graph on the left. That indicates that the allergen organic compounds detect the presence of copper compounds by binding in the functional group. The following is a discussion for of research. The red pigment color for purple golden flower details in top to be marked with it. This is one type of anthocyanin member. According to Beckett in 2008, stated that the anthocyanin of purple golden flower in its structure contains polyphenols cations. Color change can occur due to change in the shape of the structure caused by the influence of pH. This shows the characteristic of the color change that is formed from the characteristic of T-core1 as the precipitation that occurs in the reaction. The copper returns the anhydrous from as in the following reaction. It can be seen that the heating will make the copper saturated and deform into a tetrachlorosulfate to precipitate. The conclusion of this study is that based on consideration of the results of the study, it was determined that all treatment with the highest concentration or concentration of 25% show significant color change and different characteristics. The following is a documentation of our research activities.
Has great patent potential, such as a patent method because currently there is still no detection of Wilson disease using conventional leaves. So that is 100% our research, highly patentable as for the patent of our research logo. There is a patent for a quantitative research method because it is based on a logistical consideration and is supported by data and factual research results.
Especially at community health centers and public health service in order to detect Wilson disease early.
That's all from us. T-Core1.
Stop Wilson disease early for healthy life.